Hey everybody, it's Matt from Life at Random. So I'm here at work today. I got a friend of mine named CJ. He's going to try the next sour candy with me, which is going to be Kaboom. I've just seen this at the store one time, grabbed some. We're going to see how it is. It is supposed to be a sour cherry popping candy. I've never actually tried them. I've never looked at them, never opened them up, so I don't know how much is in here. I'm just going to try to take it all at once and see if I like it, I guess. We'll try to talk CJ into doing the same thing. So stay tuned, it's going to be good.
Alright, let's do this. I'm impressed by the packaging.
I'm asking how you did that.
Yeah, alright, we doing all these bad boys?
I don't think you get it.
Doing them all?
Oh, no, I don't care.
Alright.
You open this. It does feel okay.
I'm just gonna let you know, Matt, if he starts making the faces like he did the last time, I'm cutting the camera to him
We gotta
exclusively.
pre-open them. So we can put them all in at once.
You might have to help Matt here.
The child focused. There it is.
You gotta be a caveman.
Oh, man.
You gotta be a caveman, just rip into them.
I think it is the fall easier though.
You gotta beat it off a rock like you would your prey, like I did.
Or your clothes. It's dirty, just beat it on a rock. Hey, turn one of those cans real quick. To face me.
Boom.
I throw all my logo off.
It's made of TNT, I think.
Infused with
Alright.
This red colored black.
Am I waiting on you? Because that's going to take forever. Oh, pour it in the thing? Oh, that's a good idea, dude.
That's going in
Then
the
you can
video.
really do it all at once.
Man.
Oh, it's a powder!
Oh, yeah, it's like Pop Rocks and sour candy at the same time.
It's like Josh's sour powder. You like.
Yeah.
This is gonna be like watching LeBron James pregame ritual. You're gonna cough, it's just gonna be an explosion.
Oh, man.
JJ's looking a little scared.
Dude, it's getting thick in there, man. There's a full, like, 3/4 of an inch of powder in there, dude. Oh, did I not open this one? Okay.
You guys doing it at the same time, or you want to let CJ be the guinea pig?
No, I'm getting impatient.
Just do it. What do you think, Matt? Just let him do it?
I'll pop it in. Oh, but I am concerned. I agree. This is looking bad.
You got him? Oh, he's almost done, too. Okay, cool.
Buddy Jason.
Check out Fires of Winter. That's my band. We rule.
Yes,
On YouTube and Spotify.
Alright, and we're going to try some Kaboom candy. It's supposed to be a cherry popping candy, and I have never tried this before. I just seen it, bought it, and
Oh, I have a feeling cherries are gonna be popped.
yeah, this is going to be interesting. So, without further ado, are you ready?
Let's do it, man.
Alright. Alright.
Don't stop. Can't breathe because I'm breathing in powder.
I apologize for the shaky camera. This is too freaking funny.
Okay. Okay.
Popping! Oh my god.
It's cherry. Cherry's gross.
He said it was cherry.
Gross. Ew. It's like somebody peed in a cherry Pop-Tart. Ew.
This is gonna be the worst cinematography in the world, Matt. Just an FYI.
I can't do it, man. I can't do it. It's cherry. They're so gross. I'm going to swallow it. How much sugar?
Wow.
I'm not swallowing this. You know how much? Look at the sugar.
Wow. Oh,
Per packet.
it keeps popping. Oh my gosh.
It was like what, 8, 10? That's like 200 grams of sugar.
It's so gross. Oh, it pops forever.
I've swallowed most of it and it's still going.
So you're officially a bigger man than CJ.
Ah, don't put your tongue up against the where it's popping. It just hurts. Whew.
Oh yeah. If you like cherry,
Listen to this.
if you like cherry,
At the vanities. Special assistance needed at the vanities.
It just keeps going. It's shooting against my tongue
there
now.
was less emphasis on the sour. It was just Pop Rocks, but it was cherry. If you like cherry, yeah, go for it. If not, you're gonna have a bad time. That's 16 grams of sugar per packet. How many is it? 8. Right.
Special
Did you swallow that?
assistance needed at the vanities.
It's 128 grams of sugar.
Assistance needed at the vanities.
What? I'm pretty much swallowing it all now. I gotta chase it down though, because
There's like remnants in my mouth.
It's still
It feels
popping.
like my teeth are popping.
I know. It really does. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. It really does mean a lot to me. If anybody else would like to try some Kaboom candy, I'm going to set up a link where you can order some down in the description of this video. Also, I'm going to set up a link for a band that CJ is in called the Fires of Winter, so if you like metal music, you should check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys know of any other sour candy you'd like us to try, please leave it in the comments. I do read the comments, and I'm looking to try one of those next. Thank you all so much. Have a good day.